Hey guys, welcome back for another video. And so for today's vlog, I'll be featuring another credit card with you, and that is from HSBC. Okay, so before I proceed this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more updates, just click the notification bell button and follow my social media accounts on Instagram, Threads, TikTok, and X at RayRayNatics. Again, if you don't like my contents like this, then definitely just exit this video to avoid receiving some negative comments dyan. At kung gusto nyo pa rin akong i-bash, I would say you're just wasting your time. Okay? So, ayun na nga. Kakarating lang to sa akin ngayon, yung HSBC. So, actually, ang storyline how I actually get this is that nag-apply ako last Saturday. June 28 siguro 2025, and then today is Friday, July 4, tama ba? Ayun, July 4. Ayun, ngayon ko na siya na-receive. So para mga isang linggo, I think it's 1 week process lang naman yung pagka-ano ko dito sa credit card ko with HSBC. So, yun na nga, ito na nga siya. Ang in-applyin kong HSBC na credit card is yung kanilang Red Platinum Mastercard. So, ito na siya. I think ito yung niya, yung courier niya is To Go Express. So, ayan. And then ako yung nag-receive nito. Tapos lang ako, parang ginising na lang ako para i-receive tong yung bagong credit card ko with HSBC. Please bear with me na lang kasi medyo kagigising ko lang din. So ayun, I just wanted to film it right now. Sorry. Yun, kakagising ko nga lang. So gusto ko lang siya i-film ngayon para yun, sabay-sabay natin malaman kung magkano yung credit limit yung binigay sa akin, at ano ba yung mga benefits and privileges yung mga meron dito sa credit card nito. Okay? So I just have to lang din open this. Yan. And then yeah. So, ano ba to? Okay, so yung dito, wait lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo sandali. Ay, hindi, wag na nga lang. Kasi ano lang naman siya, proof of delivery lang naman. Yung itong, meron na to sa yung naka-staple dito. Wait lang. Tatanggalin ko lang yung staple. Paano ba to? Hindi ko kasi magawa to sa kuko ko dahil naka French tip kasi. Sandali lang, i-pause ko lang muna for a moment. Okay, so ayan, lang naman, tinanggal ko lang yung staple dito. Wait lang. Yan yung nakadikit dito, yung proof of delivery. So yun lang naman, and then I just have to open this, itong part na to. I hope na I don't... Ay, wait lang. Oh my gosh, wait lang. Yeah, ay, shoot. Oh my god. Guguntingin ko na lang guys, sorry. Wait lang. Guguntingin ko na lang siya. Sa gilid. Kasi usually, ino-open ko siya parati dito sa na to. Pero ayoko kasi ma-destroy yung yung eto. Ayan. So ay wait lang. Unang-una sa lahat, ayan, na-open ko na siya. And then ano ba meron dito? So i-pause nyo na lang for a moment to read this. Ayan. Kung ano man yung nakasabi, kung ano ba yung sinabi dito. And then, ito na siya. Oh! And then, yeah, it has my name on it sa unang wait lang. And then, okay. Oh my gosh! Ang credit limit na binigay sa akin is 350,000 pesos. Oh my gosh. Thank you, HSBC. So, wait lang i-pause ko lang ulit for a moment to make sure na wait lang. To make sure na wala kayong makikita ditong details. Wait lang. Okay, so ayun. I just had to make sure na wala kayong makikita dito. So, ito yung makikita nyo. Wait lang. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, bali, I just have to remove this card first para siya. Makita ninyo. Okay. And then, I just had to remove this, yung sticker. Minsan, ang ayaw ko minsan pag yung mga ganitong sticker kasi yun lang. Medyo na siya. Medyo tumikit lang siya ng konti. Wait lang. Yun yung ayaw ko minsan dito sa sticker na to eh. Wait lang. Ayan. Yan, so far na-remove ko na rin. Ano lang naman to, yung for activation lang naman siya. Tapos, yan, ito na siya. Yung HSBC na Red Platinum Mastercard. Again, yung credit limit ko na meron nito is 350,000 pesos. Yung sa cash advance limit, I'm not so sure kasi wala namang sinabi dito. Please let me know kung may pang cash advance dito or kung wala, lang, we'll just have to keep it this way lang. So, ano bang meron dito sa card na to? So, this card is made from 85% recycled plastic. So, yeah. And then, get more rewards with your HSBC Red Card. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga benefits dito sa card na to. So, ayan siya. Ito, wait lang. Pause nyo na lang for a moment para mabasa ninyo. Ayan. So, basically, I just don't want to go over it na lang kasi I'll try my best to make this video very short. And then, yeah, ito yung aking credit card ko with HSBC. So, yeah. Honestly, guys, for me, it's really hard for me to get this credit card na meron ako. Kasi I think that's 2 years ago, nag-apply ako sa mga credit card agents dyan. But I always get a disapproval. And then last year, nung umuwi ulit ako dito sa Pilipinas, sumubok na naman ulit ako. But unfortunately, yun nga, na-disapprove na naman ulit ako. So, by this year, ayun, sumubok na naman ulit ako mag-apply nito. And then, yeah, I just got this HSBC Red Platinum Mastercard with a credit limit of 350,000 pesos. So, ayan. Kasi yung ibang credit cards ko naman din is, na rin, yung ibang credit cards ko, what I mean, puro na sila, mga nasa kalahating milyong piso na. So, ito, 350,000 pesos. So, yeah, it's not bad for me. Ang goal ko lang is that when I get a credit card, I don't want to go lower than 100,000 pesos. So, yun yung ko ngayon. And then, ang ini-aim ko ngayon is to get all of the platinum or premium credit cards na ngayon. I don't want to, to apply sa mga basic credit cards. Graduate na ako dyan. Even though that I'm still 23 years old para makakuha ng mga platinum or premium na credit cards. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't want to take this very long. So thank you guys for watching. And again nga, kung ayaw nyo yung mga ganitong contents na ginagawa ko, just exit this video para makaiwas to get some bash dyan. Yun lang. Thank you guys for watching and peace for now.